Hey, dear viewers! Did you know CapCut has just launched an amazing new AI video maker where you can create 10-minute-long video? If you're planning to create faceless AI content or even start a brand new YouTube channel, this is the perfect time. And the best thing is, you don't have to do a lot of hard work. The tool makes it super simple for you. In this video, I'll first show you what I created using this tool and then give you a step-by-step guide on how you can use it too. But before we begin, make sure you download the CapCut app. If you're on desktop, just use the link in the description below. It's totally free and gives you all the powerful features you need. Once you download the app, you can easily find the AI video maker inside. And let me show you something. This is the AI video I created using it. The best part? It only took me a few minutes to make the whole thing.
The world would be a dull place if all we had were the common garden variety of turtles. Luckily for us, Mother Nature has a wicked sense of humor. So let's take a peek at 5 of the goofiest turtles on the planet.
For example, imagine you have an animal facts channel. This tool would be absolutely perfect for creating videos like that. And the best part? You can use it for any type of channel you want. Now, I'll show you step by step how you can create something similar. But first, for those who don't know, let me quickly explain what CapCut actually is. So the CapCut is an all-in-one video editor created by the same team behind TikTok. It's popular because it's beginner-friendly, super easy to use, and still gives you professional-level features. Whether you're editing on your phone or desktop, CapCut makes it simple to create high-quality videos. And now, with their brand new AI video maker, things have gone to the next level. This tool can generate scripts, images, AI avatars, clips, subtitles, and even music, all powered by AI. You just need to give it a simple idea and it will quickly turn it into a ready-to-publish professional-looking video. Whether you're just starting out or already a pro, this AI tool can be your perfect assistant for creating videos without stress. So, let's not waste time and jump straight into how you can make these AI videos yourself. If you click the link in the description, it will take you to the CapCut website. Here, you'll see their free AI video generator. From this page, just go to the top and click on Download. Once you've downloaded the app and logged into your account, this is the first screen you'll see. From here, just click on AI Video Maker. After that, you'll be taken to the main interface of the tool. Here, you'll notice the welcome screen for the free, all-in-one AI Video Maker. And if you ever want to start a new project, you'll find the option right there. In this section, you'll see different AI options. For example, there's Brainstorm with AI, which is really cool because it helps you come up with ideas, find useful information, and even create scripts instantly. Then you have Avatar Video, and also tools like Match Media to Script and Object. Don't worry if this looks a bit confusing at first. All of these options are right here in one place, so it's actually very simple to use. Just below that, you'll also see Simplify Creation with AI templates. These templates are amazing for making short creative content like Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts. I'll show you exactly how to use these templates later. But for now, let's go back to the example I showed earlier. I'll show you how I create that facts video, and the best part is, you can also make longer videos, up to 10 minutes, completely free and with very little effort. Once you start a new project, you'll be taken to this screen. Step 1 is to create your script. Now, don't worry if the screen looks a bit plain, that's how it's supposed to be, because the goal here is to keep things simple. At this point, you have 2 choices. You can either paste in a script you've already written, or you can create a brand new script directly inside CapCut. This is really helpful because you don't need to use any outside tools like ChatGPT. Everything can be done right here. When you click on Create Script, you'll see options like topic, key points, duration, writing style, and other requirements. All you have to do is fill these in, and the AI will generate a script for you instantly. For my example, I want to create a video about turtle facts. So in the topic section, I'll type turtle facts, just to keep everything clear and organized. In this box, you describe the type of video you want to make. The more details you give, the better script the AI will generate. But even if you keep it short, the tool will still create a proper script for you. Here, you can add your key points, links, or even reference websites and research papers. You can also paste in an existing script if you already have one. For my project, I'll ask the AI to create an engaging video based on 5 interesting turtle facts. For example, I want it to include details about rare species and their habitat. This way, I'll get a focused and exciting script all about turtles. Now here, you can choose the duration of your video, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes. And this is really amazing because CapCut can actually create a full 10-minute script for you with just a couple of points. Normally, if you ask other tools to write a 10-minute script, you only get a few hundred words, and the timing never feels right. But here, the AI does it perfectly. For this tutorial, I'm going to select 3 minutes because I don't have enough time to show you a full 10-minute video. Next, you'll see the writing style option. This is very helpful if you already have a YouTube channel. You can upload one of your old scripts, and CapCut will automatically match the writing style, so your new video feels completely on brand and consistent. Then we have the more requirements box. This is where I always add an important note. Make the first 10 seconds as engaging as possible, because as you know, the hook is everything. If the first few sentences catch attention, the rest of the video flows perfectly. And honestly, if the intro is boring, viewers will leave faster than a turtle running away from the beach. Once you're happy with the details, just click on Create, and within about 30 seconds, your entire script will be ready. Look at this, in no time, you have a complete script. And the best part is, you have full flexibility. If you want to make changes, you can adjust, rewrite, or regenerate the script anytime. Don't like the result? No problem, just cancel and create a new one. But if you're happy with the script, you're all set to move to the next step. After your script is ready, now it's time to set up the scenes. You can click Scenes, and here you'll find talking head avatars that will read out your entire script. There are over 100 avatars to choose from, like different characters, a news presenter, even an older man, so you have plenty of options to match the style of your video. But for now, I'm going to skip the avatar part and move straight to the voice option. Here's where you choose the actual voiceover for your video. Again, there are more than 100 voices available, so simply pick the one that sounds best for your project. Now let's play a few of the voices and see which one fits best.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
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 I think this voice sounds great, so I'll go with it. So I just click here and apply it to all scenes. Now the AI will automatically split the script. Those big paragraphs are actually hard for AI voiceovers to read, so the tool breaks them into shorter sentences. This way, the voiceover sounds smoother and avoids mistakes. And look at that, within 10 seconds, it's already done.
The world would be a dull place if all we had were the common garden variety of turtles. Luckily for us, Mother Nature has a wicked sense of humor.
Now I'm really happy with the voiceover. It's perfect. So the voiceover for the entire video is ready. The next step is to click on Media. Here we get 3 options. The first one is AI-generated media. This option lets the tool create brand new visuals for you, fully made by AI based on your script. The second one is Match Your Own Media. If you already have your own clips or photos, the tool will scan them and pick the ones that match best with your script. And the third option is my personal favorite, Stock Media. This is where the tool checks its massive stock library. It reads your script, finds the main keywords, and then suggests real videos that match, like ocean shots or animals. It saves a lot of time because the AI does the searching for you. For now, I'll go with stock media because I like using real clips that were actually filmed by people. Don't worry though, later I'll also show you how AI-generated media looks. All right, let's click on Match. The moment we do that, the AI reads through our entire script. It studies every line, picks out the main ideas, and then automatically searches for the best visuals that match. In just a few moments, it brings up videos and images that perfectly fit with the story we're creating. Pretty smart, right? Let's take a look at what it finds for us.
We're the common garden variety of turtles. Luckily for us, Mother Nature has a wicked sense of humor. Number 4, the leatherback sea turtle. These guys are the largest of the sea turtles and can weigh over 2,000 pounds. Their shells don't look like the hard shells most turtles out. Painted turtles are excellent swimmers, but they also spend a lot of time on land. What's really weird about them is that they have no teeth. Instead, they have these weird flaps of skin that look like tongues, but aren't. These flaps are actually extensions of their upper shell, so use them. So there you have it, 5 of the weirdest turtles on the planet.
Did you see that this took only 2 to 3 minutes and now our whole video is ready? The AI has gone through the script, picked the stock footage, and matched it with each line we wrote. Everything is placed neatly so we can preview the video straight away. So I'm actually really happy with how this has turned out. I think it looks really, really good. Now, you have so many capabilities with a tool like this. For example, everything here, you can either rewrite the text, change the actual voiceover, or even replace a scene. If you don't like the footage, just go to stock media and search, for example, type turtle, and you'll see plenty of related footage. Or if you'd rather use AI-generated visuals, just click on AI media. Let's say you want a scene of a sea turtle. You can make it realistic, set it to 16 by 9, and then click generate. You could do this for the entire video if you wanted, but for me personally, I like the stock footage, so I prefer using that. Still, if you want AI-generated media, it's all right here. For example, I could add this turtle scene, click add to scene, and now it's updated. So that's it. You can go through every single scene here and replace it with new stock footage, your own clips, or even an AI-generated video if you want. Once you're happy with all the scenes and the voiceover, the next step is captions. Here you can see the captions on the screen. The standard ones are okay, but honestly, they look a little boring and don't really grab attention. I personally like to use a style that highlights each word as it's spoken. This makes the video much more engaging because the viewer's eyes naturally follow the highlighted word, keeping them focused and interested. This makes your captions much easier to read and keeps your viewers engaged the whole time. You'll also see lots of different caption styles in the Elements section. Some are free, while others are paid, so just keep an eye out for that. There are about 100 different styles you can pick from, which is plenty. Once you're happy with the captions, the next step is music. The good news is, all of this music is free to use inside the tool. You'll find a wide variety of tracks, so simply select the one that matches the vibe of your video. Pick a sound that feels right for your content, and it will make your video more engaging. And from here, we can move on to the next step.
The world would be a dull place if all we had were the common garden variety of turtles. Luckily for us, Mother Nature has a wicked sense of humor. So let's take a peek at 5 of the goofiest turtles on the planet. Number 5, the big-headed turtle. This guy really lives up to his name. The big-headed turtle can be found in the tropical parts of Australia and New Guinea. His shell can grow to be almost 9 inches long, and his head, well, it can reach over 6 inches. That's about the size of a basketball. They spend most of their time on land looking for food, but they do like to take little dips in the water to cool off. And they usually hang out near water sources like rivers, streams, and ponds. And even though they look like they'd be great at holding their breath, they actually need to surface every 20 minutes or so to breathe. Number 4, the leatherback sea turtle. These guys are the largest of the sea turtles and can weigh over 2,000 pounds. Their shells don't look like the hard shells most turtles have. Instead, their shells are made of leather-like skin. They're mostly found in tropical oceans around the world, and they're especially common in the waters near the equator. Even though they're such large creatures, they're surprisingly good at hiding. Their coloring helps them camouflage with the ocean around them, and they can also retract their heads and flippers into their shells for extra protection. 3, the pancake turtle. This little guy looks like someone took a normal turtle and flattened it out. They're found in the southern United States and Mexico, and they're usually spotted hanging out in slow-moving streams and ponds. Their flat shells make them pretty good at hiding from predators, but they aren't totally safe. Sometimes turtles mistake them for rocks and try to eat them. To avoid this, pancake turtles have developed a defense mechanism. When they feel threatened, they play dead. Yep, they're one of the few animals that can actually fake their own death. 2, the painted turtle. These turtles are named for the colorful markings on their shells and sides. They're found throughout much of the United States and Canada, and they can be seen in a variety of habitats, including ponds, lakes, and rivers. Painted turtles are excellent swimmers, but they also spend a lot of time on land. They're omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet consists of aquatic vegetation, insects, worms, fish, and amphibians. And they're known for being pretty good at stealing food. If you feed one of these turtles by hand, it'll probably try to make off with your fingers as well. Number 1, the mata mata turtle. This turtle looks like a cross between a crocodile and a turtle, and it's just as goofy as it looks. They're found in South America, and they prefer slow-moving waters like marshes and swamps. What's really weird about them is that they have no teeth. Instead, they have these weird flaps of skin that look like tongues, but aren't. These flaps are actually extensions of their upper shells. They use them to direct water over their nostrils to help them breathe. They also use them to sense danger. And when they get all red and puffy, it means they're feeling threatened. So there you have it, 5 of the weirdest turtles on the planet. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more wacky wildlife videos.
So yeah, I'm really happy. That literally took me less than 5 minutes to create a complete video from scratch, and everything was done by CapCut. It handled the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the captions, and even the music. The best part, I made a full 100% unique video that's visually engaging and can grab viewers' attention easily. Plus, you can even create videos up to 10 minutes long, all for free, without spending a single dollar. If you want to make more changes or add your own style, just click on the edit option. Here you get full control. You can adjust scenes, add transitions, change layouts, and edit the video however you like. Once you're happy, just hit export, and your video is ready to upload anywhere. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'll show you some templates you can use to make shorts. Just click back to this section and scroll down to Simplified Creation with AI Templates. Here, you'll see a variety of ready-made templates. Let's take a look at them and pick one that we want to use to recreate our video. So, I'm going to pick this template because it looks fun and easy to use. These templates are perfect for creating quick shorts. Once I click Remake, a pop-up appears. Here, the topic is already set. In our case, Top 5 Travel Destinations. You can also add other ideas to make it more unique. Next, just click on Create. From here, CapCut automatically does everything for us. It creates the script, voiceover, and visuals based on the topic. Everything is handled safely and efficiently, so we don't have to worry about missing anything. You can see it's creating the script, generating the voiceover, and preparing all the visuals automatically. That's all from just a tiny bit of information I put in. Let's give it a play and see how it looks.
Here are the top 5 travel destinations you need to know. Number 5 is Kyoto, Japan. Back when I visited, it was the ancient capital of Japan, and it's full of temples and shrines. The architecture is just stunning. And if you're lucky enough to visit during cherry blossom season, you will see the most beautiful pink blossoms everywhere. Number 4 is Cancun, Mexico. It's known for its white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. It's the perfect destination for a beach getaway. Just be sure to stay safe and avoid the scams. Needle. 3 is Santorini, Greece. This place is straight out of a movie. The white houses with blue roofs are just so picturesque, and the sunsets are absolutely breathtaking. No. 2 is Maldives. This is the ultimate luxury destination. Overwater bungalows, private beaches, amazing food. It's perfect for a romantic getaway or a solo trip. Just be prepared to...
So yeah, you can change almost everything if you want. The voiceover, the clips, the background music, or even the captions. CapCut has already done all the work for you, but you still have full control to adjust anything to match your style, your channel, or your needs. Once you're happy, just hit export and your video will be saved in your device. Just like that, anyone, no matter their skill level, can create amazing AI videos for free using this software. For those who like working on computers, I recommend downloading the CapCut desktop app, which works on both Windows and Mac. If you prefer using the web, just go to the official website and the software is ready to use instantly. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!